2013. This is the first snow of winter 2013, and the snow is falling ever so lightly. That's the back, pass through to the kitchen, pass through to the back where the birdhouses live, and then we could see the snow a little bit better through this back window. Yes, with the Christmas tree all covered with snow. Oh, yes. I don't know if this is taking, but it looks so pretty. And we could see the trees again. And where's Charlie? Bring Charlie to the window to see the snow. He can't see it so good, but it's snowing. Hey, Charlie, where's the snow? Come show Mommy what you look like when it snows. TV's on as usual. Kitchen table. And okay. Hey, Charlie, look at Mommy. Whoa, look at the pretty boy. Do you see the snow, Charlie? Okay, that's enough. And there's Daddy, there's the kitchen, and there's the TV going. See you later, babies. Bye.